Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed the subdivisions of journal, that is the purchases daybook, purchase returns daybook, sales returns daybook, and then we see the cash book. Under that, several types of cash books are there. Single column cash book or single cash book, double column cash book where two columns on both the sides, that is for the cash or bank or discount or cash or discount, and the three column cash book where cash, bank, and discount column on both the sides, and also the petty cash book. These are the four constituents or the four classifications of the cash book. So we are going into detail that one. So we'll take the thing with regard to the cash book. We'll continue with that. So this is the format with regard to a cash book where single column cash book, the date is on the left hand side, the debit side, and the right hand side, the payment side. Debit in the sense the receipt side, and the right hand side it is the payment side, that is date, receipt, journal folio, the amount column, and on the debit side or the receipt side, and the date, payment, journal folio, amount on the right hand side. Then enter the following transactions in a simple cash book where this is the transactions. Cash in hand 1200, received from RAM 3000, paid rent 2000, sold goods for cash 4000, paid to Sham 1500, purchased furniture 2000, paid salary 2500. So, what is the case? Simple column, simple cash book. Under the simple cash book, cash in hand 1200. So, how it is to be to balance brought down? The first case, C 1200 balance brought down. That is the opening of the cash book. That is the cash is an asset account. Cash book or the cash is an asset item. So it is a on the debit side it will come. So that is the opening balance. It will come on the debit side as a 1200. Then received from RAM. RAM in the kitty. So how what is the entry? Cash account debtor to RAM. So that is C. RAM's account 3000. 3000 is the amount. Paid rent. Rent is paid in the form of cash. So what is the entry? Rent account debtor to cash. So buy rent. See on the right hand side, that is the payment side, rent is paid. Payment is to be there on the right hand side. So it is the same as an account. That only you know. You need to know. So buy rent, rent account 2000. Then sold goods for cash, cash account debtor to sales. So cash account debit side to sales 4000. Then next is paid to Shyam. Shyamine pay ചെയ്തു. What is going? Cash is going. So Shyam debtor to cash. So cash book or cash account in the credit side by Shyam. So that is by Shyam's account 1500. Then purchased furniture. So what is the entry? Furniture account debtor to cash. So buy furniture. See, buy furniture. And then paid salary. Salary account debtor to cash. So buy salary. And finally, what is the balance left there? See, we started the business with 1200 and receipts are there like that is received from RAM and we got cash sales while there are payments more than that, so that how much is now only 200 is left. By balance carried out, how much 200 is left only. So this is the simple cash book where a single column for the debit and a single column for the cash on the debit as well as the credit side. That is the receipt side and the payment side, one column each on both the sides in order to record these transactions. This is the case with regard to a simple column or a single cash book, where two column cash book is a cash book with the two amount columns on either side of the cash book is called two column cash book or double column cash book or cash book with the cash and discount columns. Cash column is for recording the cash receipt and cash payments, and the discount column is for recording the discount allowed and discount received. So both the sides, two columns each are there. That is cash received and discount allowed on the receipt side, and cash paid and discount received on the credit side or the payment side. So that is the only difference between these. So Discount column is for recording the discount allowed and discount received. Cash received and discount allowed are entered on the debit side as it is the cash received and also it is an expense also. Cash paid and discount received are entered on the credit side of the cash book. Discount columns are totaled and not balanced. Only it is total. Debit side is total, credit side is total, not balancing. While cash book, like the same previously, simple column, here also we need to balance it. The total of the discount column on the debit side indicates the total amount of the discount allowed and vice versa. That is discount received. The difference between the cash received and cash payments is the closing cash in hand. So this is the case. Cash book with the cash and discount column. There is the two column cash book where date, receipt, ledger folio, discount, then that is the cash. Received means the particulars in that. That is the cash received and also the discount allowed. And on the right hand side, it is the payment side where payments, ledger folio, discount received, and the cash payments made. So this is the case with regard to which one? The cash book with the cash and discount column. So we will check this problem. Cash balance 5,000. So what is the entry? To balance brought down. See in the screen 5,000. Then sold goods to Martin. Martin V2. So Martin debtor to sales, isn't it? 7,000. Sold goods to